In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in WordPress step by step, whether you're managing a blog, an online store, or a personal website. Adding a search bar can significantly enhance the user experience by helping visitors find content quickly and easily. WordPress makes this process simple, and I'll guide you through every step, from logging in to adjusting the placement of your new search widget. If you're ready to make your site more functional and user-friendly, let's get started. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you'll see several options for signing in. To make things quick and hassle-free, choose the option to continue with Google. This method allows you to skip the need for remembering additional passwords and provides a secure way to authenticate your account. Next, select the Google account you'd like to use from the list provided. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate the Quick Links section, which is usually displayed prominently on the dashboard. Click on the Edit Site option in this section to enter the site editor interface. Now that you're in the site editor, take a look in the top left corner of the screen. You should see a small plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Click on the plus icon to open the Widget selection panel. To find the search feature quickly, use the built-in filtering tool by typing the word search into the field provided. This is a great time saver, as it narrows down the list of available widgets and brings the search component right to the top. Once the search widget appears in the list, click on it to add it to your editing canvas. At this point, the widget will be placed on the page, but you can move it to the exact spot where you want it to appear. Simply drag the search widget to your desired location. You might consider placing it in the header for maximum visibility, in the sidebar for easy access, as users browse, or even in another area of the page that aligns with your site design. The goal here is to enhance your site's navigation by making the search bar accessible and easy to find for your visitors. After you've dragged the widget to the perfect spot, release it to finalize its placement, and just like that, you've successfully added a search bar to your WordPress site. So now you know exactly how to add a search bar to your WordPress website, step by step. This small addition can make a big impact on user experience by helping visitors find what they're looking for with ease. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.